Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on how I created my gift sets. If you haven't seen the video where I shared them, I'll go ahead and link it down below. I use these Daiso present bags and I'm going to be showing you how I created my gift sets with these. So first off, I just went ahead and cut down some pattern paper to fit inside the present bag. And I'm using the Spooky Boo collection, which I totally love. And I'm going to go ahead and slide that in. And let's just go ahead and get started creating our embellishments. So first off, I have these rosettes that I created using my Tim Holtz rosette die. I added a foam square to the back and just placed them on this little piece of the pattern paper from the collection. I have little stickers in the center, so I think they came out really cute. So that's our first embellishment that's going to go in our gift set. Next, I'm going to be sharing with you this cute paper straw box. I have a tutorial on this actually, and I will link it down below. So I created the box, and I'm going to be putting the paper straws in first. I have 10 in there, and they fit the window perfectly. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and take some orange crinkle paper from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to kind of stuff that in behind the straws. And just going to take a paintbrush and just kind of shove everything down there. And I'm going to seal the top of my box once I kind of fix everything the way I want it. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just adding a little bit of adhesive, and I'm going to close the box and decorate the front of it. So I have some twine, orange, black, and white twine that I picked up at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and I'm going to wrap that around the box and tie a little bow. And once I've done that, I created another rosette with my rosette die, and I'm going to place that in the center of my box. So just fixing the bow the way I want it. And then I'm just going to add that rosette right over it. I love this collection so much. I think it's one of my top favorite Halloween collections. I think it is so cute. So once that's on there, I'm just going to go ahead, and I have these stickers from Recollections. I'm just going to choose one and add it to my rosette. And there you go. So there's my cute straw box. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take these same stickers and add them to my rosette. So I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back of the stickers just in case I don't want anything falling off. And I'm going to add the sticker to the front of my rosettes. And I love these stickers. They're so cute. I got them, I believe, last year in the sticker aisle. So next I have this cute tin with a little window in the front of it. I love it. And I'm going to add orange pumpkin confetti to this. And I picked this up from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. They're super cute. Once all that's in there, I'm going to go ahead and close it, and I'm going to add this cute little sticker to the front of my container. Next, I have a test tube container that I got at Michael's, I believe, and I'm going to add these cute little bones, also from Michael's. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that same twine that I used around the straw box and tie a cute little bow around the top of my test tube. So now once that's done, everything is ready to be placed inside our gift set. So I just placed everything on top of the cellophane bag and just kind of wanted to see how everything would fit inside. So I added a little bit of adhesive to the back paper of the rosettes, and I'm going to place that inside. But first I want to just see how everything will fit. So I add my little containers in first, my box and my container with the confetti. And then I'm going to slide in my rosettes and then slide in my test tube. And once everything is the way I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and add some crinkle paper. Off camera, I added some cute acrylic spiders. So I'm just going to be adding the crinkle paper, and I'm going to take a paintbrush and just kind of move everything where I want, just because I don't want the crinkle paper to be in front of any of the embellishments so you can't see them. So I'm just gonna move everything around so, you know, you can actually see what's inside. So that's what I'm doing here. And then it's gonna be time to add the treat toppers. So I had a cut file on my Cameo. I can link it down below in case you guys are interested. But I just basically resized it to fit the top of my cellophane bag. And I added some adhesive to one of the sides of the treat topper, the back of the treat topper, and then I kind of placed everything down on top of that, and I folded it over just to make sure that was really where I wanted it. And then I added more adhesive to the front of the treat topper and folded it over like so. Next, it's time to decorate. Now, I know I could have gone totally crazy, and I know there are people that make really pretty treat toppers and they just add a bunch of embellishments and just chipboard pieces and all kinds of stuff, but sometimes I feel like less is more, and it's really just all about the embellishments that are inside the gift set. So for this, I just wanted to keep it simple, so I just used the same twine that I used on my paper straw box and my test tube. And I'm using that and tying it around the top of the treat topper. And in this collection, there's a really cute cut apart page with really, really adorable tags. So I found this tag that says no tricks, just treats. And so I'm going to string that through my twine to the base of my knot. And then I'm going to make a little bow. And I just think this came out so cute. And so then just for another little extra detail, I have these really cute felt spiders in my stash, and I just added a little bit of hot glue to the back of one of them, and I added it to the corner of the tag, which I think just looks so perfect. So this is my gift set. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let me know if you want to try it out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon.